This is how you replace a standing toilet with a grinder. Toilet grinders can be super useful when you want to install a toilet below the sewer level, or when you want a toilet where you don't have a large sewer pipe. Today I will show you how to remove old toilet, how to remove silicone sealing invisibly, and how to connect the toilet macerator correctly. Remove the large pieces of silicone sealing with a sharp utility knife. Be careful not to scratch the tiles. I left a link in the description of silicone sealing scraper and the silicone remover. Take your time and remove so much as possible. Apply the silicone remover on the old silicone and let it soak for 30 to 45 minutes. Now you can remove the old silicone and clean the tiles well. If you are not satisfied with the end result, you can repeat the steps. Don't forget to check whether the toilet grinder has its own non-return valve. Otherwise you have to assemble it yourself. This is very important for proper functioning. The old connection is a little bit different from the new connection. Because of this, the toilet can't go back far enough, so I made the hole in the tiles a little bit bigger. Pay attention, the supply valve must be with a non-return valve. This is very important for the safety so that the drinking water does not get contaminated. If you like this video, give big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.